everyone, I'm Mix Dado and welcome to the first episode of our newest vlog channel, Eat, Play, and Run. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Poblacion, Makati City. Papakita ko sa inyo yung isa sa projects natin dito which has been running for more than a year. Tara, kain tayo! Yung aking bar located dito sa The Vine Building, 2nd floor along Don Pedro Street. Tara, pasok tayo! Hi guys! Yan, so dito sila kasi actually meron kaming project planning today and may mga shoots kaming gagawin because, well, secret pa lang, pero hindi na secret, we are planning to do a major revamp and relaunch for Neo 2.0. Dito tayo sa Poblacion, Makati City. And si Neo, just to give everyone an idea, nagbukas tayo dito noong June 2023. Magto 2 years na. When we started this, the planning, talagang yung identity ni Neo was very important for us. Yung branding. That's why, kung makikita nyo, the logo, it's a sun and moon. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Cafe and bar. So the sun is for the cafe and the moon is for the bar. So we cater coffee, we cater cocktails, all day, all night, all afternoon. So kahit nandito ka ng 3 AM in the morning and you want to have coffee, that's fine. Nandito ka ng 5, 6 PM, so mag-cocktails, that's fine. And we also offer foods. Yung food natin, actually we started with the fusion concept. So it's a mix of, let's say, Filipino, Western, Japanese, and Mexican. So katulad ng mga best-selling natin na mga food entries, yung omo rice natin, yung nachos sisig, yan, bestseller talaga yan. Si Neo, we have built our community by making sure na yung serbisyong ibibigay namin is more than what they are expecting for. Kasi una, when it comes to the prices, we are very competitive on that. And we make sure na yung quality na makukuha yung food or drinks. Not only that, but yung serbisyo mismo is top-notch. And ngayon, sabi namin, ano ba yung pwede natin gawin since mag-2 years na si Neo? So right now, exactly this day, we are doing our planning for the revamping and relaunch of Neo 2.0. So, excited ako to share ano ba yung mga meron doon, ano yung mangyayari. But of course, yung iba, we need to finalize, we need approvals. But one thing that I could say is we will be more able to cater to more kinds of market, to more types of market, and we are excited to bring in a new and fresh list of food entries na feeling namin, you know, would be a Poblacion favorite. Not only that, we will be offering it in very affordable prices, but sobrang sarap. Yes, we're excited to show you what Neo 2.0 can deliver. So somebody asked me the other day, bakit daw namin tinayo yung Neo? So it started as a dream project for all of us owners of Neo Cafe and Bar. And we were inspired talaga by one of our visits in Shibuya, Japan. Sobrang daming huli na wall doon ng mga bars, no? And there's no place that could duplicate that kung hindi si Poblacion. Kasi if you go around Poblacion, magulat ka, pagpasok mo na isang building sa top floor, meron palang ganito. Tapos meron dito parang sari-sari store, pero pagpasok mo, cafe pala. So there are surprises here na magugulat ka. And here naman sa Neo, we were really inspired by how we can bring that kind of service na meron sa ibang bansa without spending too much. Kasi parang ang connotation dati sa Pilipinas, para magkaroon ka ng VIP service, kailangan VIP payment din. So, we didn't want that. Parang everybody deserved to feel special. So, we wanted that. If you are putting up a business and you will ask me if it's been easy, definitely not. Masaya, yes. But easy, definitely not. Just the thought of starting up something, mahirap na yun eh. So, how much more yung execution nun? The planning stage is hard, but mas mahirap yung execution. And then after that, syempre, pag bago yung negosyo mo, like kami, when we started, everything was perfect. Poblacion crowd was great, weather was great, weather was perfect. Everybody was trying everything. But of course, time passes by. Kakaroon ng masamang panahon, biglang bumabagyo, which is kalaban dito. But that's what makes Poblacion special. Yung magkakasama yung magbabarkada pumupunta dito, paglasing na si ganito, kanino sasabay. So yun yung mga experiences na hinahanap nila na hindi mo mafe-feel pag pumunta ka sa medyo, like example, BGC, QC. So, very unique yung experience dito. And then, of course, after that, there were a couple of challenges, not only dun sa mga uncontrolled, but like, there was a fire incident here sa building mismo. So it happened sa top floor nitong building. So, well, syempre nakakalungkot yung nangyari sa ibang negosyo dun sa top floor. Kami naman, awa ng Diyos, nothing was really damaged on our end, physically. But operational, and of course yung staff, apektado because we weren't allowed to open for a couple of months, which affected us terribly. Not to mention the couple of insights na nagkaroon ng tao na parang naging malungkot yung tsura ng building. Sa labas, sarado lahat. So sabi namin, paano kaya natin gagawin? How can we rise from this? Ganun naman kasi talaga. Hindi siya smooth sailing. So expected na siya. Kasi if you started a business na feeling mo kikita ka ng sobrang laki, agad-agad, tapos pag kumita ka, wala nang mangyayaring hindi maganda. Panaginip lang yon. It's not real. Kasi ang natural state ng negosyo, there will be challenges along the way. May it be inevitable ones, may it be uncontrolled ones, may it be from the human resource end, yung mga staff, you know, those kind of challenges. But you need to make sure na yung isip nyo as owners, especially ako as an head of operations, kailangan na-forecast mo na things could go wrong. And if it does, dapat may nakabangko ka ng solusyon. Meron ka ng ready, kumbaga, parang first aid kit mo pag nangyari to. So, what we did during that time was to make sure that we get our social media team to make sure that we don't spread fake news kung ano nangyari sa building. So, we made sure that we were very transparent on what happened, nasarado kami and will be open on this date, etc. etc. Then after that, we did a training, a fire training to make sure na if something happens again, equip kami. And then we tried to improve the entertainment that we could give, adding additional DJs, adjusting the hours, and then be consistent. Kung ano yung pinuntahan nila dati for Neo, we focus on that, we improve on that. And I think yun yung reason bakit hanggang ngayon, we are planning our revamp and relaunch for our 2nd year anniversary. Ngayon, for the Neo 2.0 relaunch, we are really excited kasi ang dami naming gustong gawin, but we also need to decide ano yung uunahin namin. So, priority is making sure that from the entertainment side, we will be having more options, we will be providing newer kinds of entertainment from different communities. Yun yung pinaka-exciting part because that opens up a lot of things that could happen inside Neo Cafe and Bar. And then, not only the food, but we'll be adding more newer cocktails, na specialty cocktails, para, you know, to make sure that when you come back to Neo, there is something that you'll be excited about. May mga couple of requests, so we'll check our inbox and make sure na hindi lang yung gusto namin yung ilalagay natin for the revamp and relaunch, but of course, yung gusto nyo rin. And that's all for Neo Cafe and Bar, everyone. At syempre, ang reason naman talaga ba't natin ginawa tong video na to is because of our newest vlog channel, Eat, Play, and Run. So ano nga bang pag-uusapan natin dito? Syempre, of course, masasarap na food and pop culture, business, at syempre, yung isang reason which is very passionate ako and alam ko magiging challenging is the health and lifestyle part. Hindi ka naman magpapapayat for the physicality itself alone. But since ako, you know, mas dumadami yung responsibilities mo, mas marami na yung kailangan ng time mo, the best thing that we could do is make sure that we can give them our time Kasi pag healthy tayo, mabibigay natin sa kanila yun. So, combining those three is, I think, sobrang challenging. But yun yung goal. Yun yung aabangan nyo. Paano natin pagsasamahin yun. Kumakain ng masarap, naglalaro ng toys, nagpapatakbo ng negosyo, ways to make sure that our business runs well. And at the same time, yung katawan natin at isip also runs smoothly. So that's eat, play, and run. See you guys. Bye-bye.